Hello students and welcome to your channel. So today we are going to discuss about similarity part 4. In this video we'll be covering the fourth concept of this chapter. In our video part 1, part 2 and part 3 we have covered conditions of similarity, basic proportionality theorem and areas of triangle theorem. And the questions related to it we have solved in part 1, part 2 and part 3 video. The link for the above videos is shared in the description box. You can see from there. So now starting with the similarity part 4 video. In this video we'll be covering the concept that is similarity as a size transformation. See, I have 3 examples over here. The one example is ABC triangle is transformed into A dash, B dash and C dash. Second example what I have over here is PQR triangle is transformed into P dash, Q dash, R dash. ABC किसमें ट्रांसफर हुआ? A dash, B dash, C dash. PQR is transformed into P dash, Q dash, R dash. And the third figure which we have over here is XYZ is transformed into X dash, Y dash and Z dash. Now we can see over here. This is the figure and this is transformed. So this is called as what? Model. This figure will be called as what? Model. And in this is called as model and this one is figure. Okay, now in this small figure is transformed into big figure. So we can say this transformation has to be what? Enlarged. If the big figure is transformed into small figure, so this transformation is called what? Reduction. And if the transformation is exactly same as the figure which is given, so this transformation is known as identity. आइडेंटिटी का मतलब होता है सेम. नाउ अब जब ये ट्रांसफॉर्म हो रहा है दैट मीन्स दिस फिगर इज एनलार्ज्ड बाय अ फैक्टर k. दिस फिगर इज reduced by a factor k and this figure is same as the factor k. In this case if it is enlarged, so this k is greater than 1. ये reduction हो रहा है, k will be smaller than 1 and this k is known as what? Scale factor. Here scale factor is greater than 1. Here scale factor is less than 1. And here scale factor will be what? Equals to 1. Now we'll look on to what is this scale factor. If we are comparing height of the model upon height of figure, height of model upon height of figure, so this is called what? K, which is a scale factor. Let's suppose here the height of figure is 8, model is 8 and figure की height है 4. Here इसकी height 8 and here it is 4. मतलब figure height of figure is 8 and height of model is 4. Here दोनों की height, we can say length of the side, length of model, length of figure, length of model, length of figure, and this is equals to length also. We can write length of model, or we can say breadth of model, or we can say height, which we have already seen. Now if we look on to the first figure, for first figure k is what? Length of model. Model की length क्या है? 8 by 4, thus it is 2. मतलब k is greater than 1. That means the figure is enlarged one. If we look on to the B1, what is k? Length of model, this is model, 4 by 8, that means 1 by 2. K is smaller than 1, that means the figure is what? Reduced 1. Now if we look on to this one, C, k is length of model upon length of figure, that is 4 by 1. So k is equals to 1. So this transformation is known as identity transformation. So till now we have discussed the transformations related to length, breadth, height. So if we have to calculate the transformation related to length, that means length of model, or we can say breadth of model, or we can say height of model. Length of model by length of figure, this will be what? K. But if second concept comes, if they are asking transformation related to area, that is area of model by area of figure, if the transformation is related to area, so this scale factor becomes K square. If it is related to length, breadth or height, the scale factor is K. But if it is related to area, scale factor becomes K square. And third one, if it is related to volume, volume of model by volume of figure, then the scale factor becomes what? K cube. So these are the major three concepts which we have to apply in this similarity as size transformation, and all the questions will be solved related to this concept only. We have to only remember one thing, that is what is model and what is the figure. किस में ट्रांसफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, that will be model, and जो exactly है that will be figure. And if it is the case of enlarged, अगर transformation is enlarged one, K will be greater than 1. If the transformation is reduction one, K will be smaller than 1. And if the transformation is identity transformation, in that case K is equals to 1. Now we'll move on to the question part. So the question is, a model of ship is made to scale of 1:200. If length of model is 4 meter, calculate length of ship. Now whatever thing they have given in the question, we'll write it over here. K is what? 1/200. Length of model. Length of model is what? We can write 4 meter. Now we know the formula. Length of ship we have to calculate. Length of figure हमने कहा था, figure का मतलब होता है whatever is being asked in the question, it is ship, it is bottle, it is carom board, it is anything, whatever is being asked in the question, that will be the figure. So our formula is what? Length of model by length of ship. If they are asking question related to length, scale factor is K and it is what? 1/200. Length of model is already given. Now we'll calculate, 4 given hai, we'll calculate what? Length of ship. So this is 1/200. Thus length of ship will be what? Length of ship equals 4 into 200, that is 800 meter. So this is how we have to apply concept which we have studied. Now the next question is, scale of map is 1:50,000. In map, triangular plot of land has following dimensions: AB equal 2 centimeter, BC equal 3.5 centimeter, and angle ABC is 90 degree. We have to calculate actual length of side BC in kilometer and area of the plot in square kilometer. We can see over here that scale of the map, that is K, is what? It is less than 1. Actual length of BC. So we can write it over here, length of model by length of side BC, because this is our figure. This transformation is 1/50,000. Length of model BC, क्या है length? 3.5. So 3.5 by, we can write actual length of side, or we can write length of side BC. It is one and the same thing. So we have got it over here, what? Length of side BC is 3.5 into 50,000. Since this is coming to be in centimeter, we have to convert it into meter. तो इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए, सेंटीमीटर से पहले मीटर, वी हैव टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू किलोमीटर. सो फर्स्ट विल कन्वर्ट इनटू सेंटीमीटर, तो हम डिवाइड बाय 100 कर देंगे, एंड देन उस मीटर को विल कन्वर्ट इनटू किलोमीटर, तो डिवाइड बाय 1000. तो ये वैल्यू अब क्या आ जाएगी? किलोमीटर में. दिस 3 0 and 3 0 got cancelled and ये 0 कैंसिल हो गया. अगर हम इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे and divide by 10 करेंगे तो I'll get what 1.7 kilometer. Now see what figure they have given us. They have given angle B is 90 degree. This is ABC. AB is 2 and BC is 3.5. So we can calculate area of model. Area of model क्या आएगा, half base into height, that is 3.5 into 2. 2 and 2 got cancelled. So area of model आ गया 3.5 square centimeter. वो हमको कह रहे हैं क्वेश्चन में, we have to find in square kilometer. Now what formula we have over here? Area of model by area of triangle. We can write it over here. या area of plot. This will be obviously, this will be k square. अब k square क्या है? 1 by 50,000 square. Thus area of plot will be what? Area of model into this 50,000 का square. Area of model is 3.5 into 50,000 into 50,000. ये यहाँ गया. Area of plot will come over this side. Now again this is in square centimeter. We have to multiply it in kilometer. पहले square centimeter से square meter अगर हम आएंगे तो हमको 102 times multiply करना पड़ेगा. ये square meter आ गया. अब square meter से when will come into kilometer तो we have to multiply 1002 times because it is square. So this has become what? Square kilometer. Now we'll cancel out. ये 3 0 3 0 cancel हो गए. 1 0 यहाँ से 1 0 यहाँ से. जब हम इसको पूरा solve करेंगे we'll multiply it. तो we'll get what? 0.875 square kilometer. So we have seen this time the transformation related to length and the transformation related to area. Now we'll move on to the next question. So now the question is, a rectangular tank has length 4 meter, width 3 meter, capacity 30 meter cube. A small model of tank is made with capacity 240 centimeter cube. Find dimensions of model, ratio between total surface area of tank and its model. So what things we are provided over here, we'll write that things. What is given here? Length of model. Length of model is 4 meter. Width, that means breadth. Breadth of model is 3 meter. Volume of, it is tank. It's not a model. Model का हमको calculate करना है. Length of tank, breadth of tank and volume of tank is given. Volume of tank is what? 30 meter cube. So first we know volume is what? Length into breadth into height. So here we'll write 30. Length is 4 and breadth is 3. So height will be what? H will be 30 by 12, that is 2.5 meter. Now since here we are knowing that is volume of tank is 30 meter cube and volume of model is 240 centimeter cube. इस सेंटीमीटर को will convert into meter. It will be 100. 3 times 100 नीचे multiply होगा because it is in centimeter cube. So अब हमको scale factor नहीं है मालूम. In this question we have to calculate scale factor. तो we'll calculate scale factor, that is volume of model by volume of tank, and this is equals to K. So volume of model is what? 240 by 100 into 100 into 100, that is we can write 10 lakhs over here, and upon volume of tank is 30. This is what? K. So this 0 and this 0 got cancelled. 3 1s are 3 8s are. Thus the value of scale factor, that is K, is equals to what? 1 by 50. Now we have come to conclusion that this scale factor is 1 by 50. Now we have to calculate dimensions of model. So if we'll calculate dimensions of model, so what we'll do over here, length of model, obviously length of model is what? K into length of tank. So this is what? 1 by 50 and length of tank is what? 4 meter. अगर हम इसको सेंटीमीटर में लिख दें तो it will be 400 centimeter. So answer will be what? 8 centimeter. Similarly, breadth of model will be K into breadth of tank. K is again 1 by 50. Breadth of tank is 3 meter. So we'll write 300 centimeter. This 0 and this 0 got cancelled, 6 centimeter. Height of model. Height of model will be K into height of tank. K is 1 by 50. Tank की height है 2.5 meter. तो this will be 250 centimeter. ये and ये cancel हो गया. So it will come approximate 5 5s are, that is 5 centimeter. So the dimensions are what? Dimensions of model. Model के dimensions क्या हुए? 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter into 5 centimeter. They have told small model. तो small model के small dimensions. Now what they are saying, ratio of total surface area of tank upon area of model. We know formula, that is area of model. We have studied what? Area of model by area of tank. तो ये होता है K square. K is what? 1 by 50. So 1 by 50 will be what? 1 by 2500. But since in question it has been asked, we have to calculate area of tank by area of model. So the answer will be 2500 is to 1. So this is how today we have completed with the fourth concept of the similarity chapter, in which we have discussed all the transformations that is related to length, area and volume. Hope you guys are finding my videos helpful. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.